Hello viewers, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Also, click on the bell icon so that you get the latest information about the videos that are uploaded.
Hello students, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we are going to continue the ongoing chapter number 2, Microbes, Friends and Foe. In today's session, we will discuss the textual exercises. Now, we will start with the question number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash. What is the answer? It is microscope. Number 2, blue-green algae fix dash directly from air and enhance the soil fertility. What is that? Answer, it is nitrogen. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen and enhance the soil fertility. Number 3, alcohol is produced with the help of dash. You know the answer. What is that? Yeast. Yeast produces alcohol during the fermentation process. Number 4, cholera is caused by dash. What is the answer? Cholera is caused by the microbe bacteria. Now we will discuss question number 2, that is MCQs. Number 1, yeast is used in the production of, the given options are sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid and oxygen. Out of this, which is the answer? Alcohol. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. MCQ number 2, the following is an antibiotic. Given options are sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol and yeast. You know, out of this, streptomycin is the correct answer as it is an antibiotic. MCQ number 3, carrier of malaria causing protozoan is, the given options are female Anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly and butterfly. What is the answer? It is female Anopheles mosquito, that is the carrier of malaria causing protozoan. MCQ number 4, the most common carrier of communicable disease is, the given options are ant, housefly, dragonfly and spider. What is the correct answer? It is housefly is the most common carrier of communicable diseases. MCQ number 5, the bread or idli dough rises because of, the given options are heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells and kneading. What is the answer? Growth of yeast cells, because they produce the fermentation. As a result, the bread or idli dough rises. MCQ number 6, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called, the given options are nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation and infection. What is the correct answer? Fermentation, because it is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Now we will discuss question number 3, match the following. Here in the section A, bacteria, rhizobium, lactobacillus, yeast, protozoan and virus are given. The correct answer is, for bacteria it is it causes cholera, rhizobium fixing nitrogen, lactobacillus setting of curd, yeast baking of bread, protozoan causing malaria and virus, it is causing AIDS. So these are the correct answer which are marked in the side. Now let us discuss question number 4. Can microorganisms be seen with the naked eye? If not, how can they be seen? What is the answer? No. Microorganisms cannot be seen by naked eye as they are very small and are called microbes. Then how can they be seen? They can be seen with the help of a microscope. Question number 5. What are the major groups of microorganisms? What is the answer? The major group of microorganisms are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, virus, and some kind of algae. So these are the major groups of microorganisms. Now let us discuss question number 6. Name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Answer. Microorganisms such as rhizobium and certain blue-green algae present in the soil can fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert into usable nitrogenous compounds. These water-soluble nitrogenous compounds are used by plants for the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. Now let us discuss question number 7. Write few lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Answer. Microorganisms are too small to be seen with naked eyes. However, they are very important for plants, animals, and environment. Number 1. Bacteria like lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Second use of microorganism. Yeast is used in the commercial production of alcohol, wine, and bakery products. Number 3. Bacteria are involved in the making of cheese. Number 4. Some specific microorganisms are helpful in the manufacturing of antibiotics. Number 5. Microorganisms act as cleansing agents and decompose the waste products into manure. Number 6. Dead or weakened microbes are used in the preparation of vaccines. Number 7. Some bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase soil fertility. Number 8. Algae, yeast, fungi, or bacteria may be used as an ingredient or a substitute for protein-rich foods that are suitable for human or animal consumption. Number 9. Some microorganisms are taken as probiotics that are believed to provide the health benefits when consumed. Question number 8. Write a short note on the harmful effects of microorganisms. Answer. Microorganisms are harmful to us in many ways. For example, microorganisms called pathogens cause disease in human, plants, and animals. Pathogens or germs enter a healthy body through air, water, contaminated food, and infected person by direct or indirect contact or by the carriers. Common ailments like cold, flu, cough, polio, chickenpox, etc. are caused by viruses. Foot and mouth diseases in the cattle are also caused by viruses. Typhoid, tuberculosis, that is TB, are caused by bacteria. Anthrax, a dangerous human and cattle disease, is also caused by bacteria. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa. Ringworm is caused by fungi. Several microbes cause diseases in plants and thus reduces the yield. The bacterial disease citrus canker affects the trees of citrus fruits and is spread by air. Bindi yellow vein mosaic disease is caused by a virus and is spread by insects in ladyfingers. Rust of wheat is a fungal disease spread through air. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances and cause food poisoning. Food poisoning can be very fatal and can cause even death. Now let us discuss question number 9. What are antibiotics? What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics? Answer. Antibiotics are the medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microbes. They are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms. They are used to cure a variety of diseases. Precautions to be taken while taking antibiotics are given below. Number 1. It is important to take the antibiotic only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Number 2. One must finish the course prescribed by the doctor to make the drug more effective. Precaution number 3. Antibiotics must not be taken unnecessarily because it may kill the beneficial bacteria also. Number 4. Antibiotics are not effective against the diseases like common cold, flu, influenza, etc. caused by virus. So students, I hope you have understood the exercises very well. Now, please pause the video and write down all these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.